There is a special kind of magic in the world of woodcraft, the ability to turn raw, unremarkable materials into meaningful objects that carry beauty, function, and value. For many creators, this magic isn't just about design or the joy of building, it's also about the incredible financial opportunity that handmade wooden projects can offer. In a world saturated with mass-produced products, people are consistently drawn to the warmth and authenticity of handmade wood items, sparking a booming demand for pieces that feel personal, unique, and crafted with care. This growing appreciation has opened doors for woodworkers everywhere, transforming small workshops, garages, and even balcony workspaces into exciting income-generating studios. Today's narration focuses on simple woodcraft projects that sell fast, not theoretical ideas or unpredictable trends, but proven builds that continuously attract buyers and bring in real income. These are projects that require minimal tools yet offer maximum potential, making them ideal for both beginners discovering their craft and seasoned makers looking to expand their product line. What makes these projects powerful is not just their simplicity, but their ability to meet the needs and desires of modern consumers. People crave decor that tells a story, organization tools that simplify their lives, and handmade pieces that elevate their living spaces. When a craft speaks directly to these desires, it doesn't just sell, it sells quickly. As we begin this journey through fast-selling woodcraft ideas, imagine the hum of your tools, the smell of freshly sanded lumber, and the sense of calm that fills the air as you shape each piece. Picture the excitement that customers feel when they discover your work, the messages of appreciation they send, and the satisfaction of knowing that something you built with your own hands is now part of someone's home. Today's video is not only about what sells, it's about why these items sell, how they connect with customers, and how they can become powerful engines for long-term profit. So take a deep breath, settle in, and let your imagination wander through the possibilities. Because simple woodcraft projects have the ability to turn small ideas into meaningful income fast. And this narration will show you exactly how. The key to creating fast-selling woodcraft projects lies in understanding the intersection between practicality, beauty, and emotional appeal. When these three elements meet in a design, it becomes irresistible to customers. People gravitate toward items that serve a purpose, enhance their living space, or express their personality. When a wooden piece manages to do all of that with simplicity and elegance, it becomes an instant favorite, something buyers feel compelled to purchase quickly before someone else does. One of the strongest forces behind fast-selling woodcraft is the desire for simplicity. In a world that often feels cluttered and chaotic, customers appreciate clean, minimal designs that offer calm and balance. Simple wooden decor, whether it's a small shelf, a frame, a candle holder, or a geometric accent, brings a sense of order and beauty into any room. These items sell fast because they don't overwhelm the eye, instead, they enhance the space subtly and harmoniously. Their versatility makes them ideal for homes, offices, cafes, and studios, which means your potential market becomes incredibly broad. Functionality also plays a major role in what makes a woodcraft project sell quickly. People love items that make their daily routine smoother or their living spaces more organized. Wooden key holders, charging stations, desk organizers, utensil stands, and multi-purpose trays fall into this category. They are simple to build yet hold tremendous selling power because they offer solutions to everyday inconveniences. Customers recognize the usefulness instantly, and that triggers quick decision-making. A piece that solves a small problem is often one of the easiest things to sell, especially in online marketplaces or local craft fairs where buyers make impulsive purchases based on clarity and convenience. Another reason simple wooden builds sell quickly is their emotional resonance. Even the most basic wooden item carries a sense of warmth and connection that synthetic materials can't replicate. The grain patterns, the natural texture, the earthy colors, they all tell a story of nature and craftsmanship. When a customer sees a wooden piece, they feel anchored, grounded, and connected. This emotional response encourages them to buy quickly, often without overthinking. It's why items like wooden picture frames, memory boxes, and decorative plaques have remained popular for generations. They don't just sell because they're useful or attractive, they sell because they feel meaningful. Customization is yet another engine behind fast sales. Even the simplest wooden item becomes incredibly powerful when it offers personalization. A name engraved on a board, a monogram carved into a tray, a date burned onto a keepsake, these details transform a standard piece into something deeply personal. Personalized items sell rapidly because customers know they can't find them on store shelves. They feel exclusive and thoughtful, making them perfect for gifts, celebrations, and special occasions. The moment you offer personalization, your simple crafts gain an emotional and financial advantage, becoming some of your fastest-moving products. Speed of production also contributes to fast-selling potential. Simple woodcraft projects often require little time to build, meaning you can create more inventory without sacrificing quality. When you can produce quickly and sell quickly, your income potential grows rapidly. For example, items like rustic coasters, small shelves, minimalist trays, plant stands, or wooden ornaments can be produced in batches. Batch production naturally lowers your time investment per item and increases your earnings. Customers benefit from consistent quality, while you benefit from consistent profit. Fast-selling wooden items often have something else in common: they fit into modern home decor trends without requiring the maker to chase constantly shifting styles. Clean lines, natural finishes, organic shapes, and rustic touches remain in demand year after year. When your projects embrace these universal design principles, they become timeless bestsellers rather than temporary trends. A simple wooden candle holder looks beautiful in a minimalist home, a rustic-themed home, a modern home, and even a bohemian space. This broad compatibility means your items sell quickly across multiple types of buyers, creating a larger and more diverse customer base. Another factor that fuels fast sales is the gift market. People are always looking for thoughtful gifts that stand out, and handcrafted wooden items have become increasingly popular for birthdays, weddings, anniversaries, baby showers, graduations, and holidays. Small wooden gifts, whether personalized or not, tend to sell quickly because they are unique, meaningful, and easy to appreciate. When customers browse through your collection and imagine who they could gift it to, they often make quick purchases, especially during seasonal peaks. Giftable items don't require large budgets, making them accessible and appealing to a wide range of buyers, which further accelerates sales. Fast-selling woodcraft projects also benefit from the emotional satisfaction that customers experience when supporting handmade creators. Many people today intentionally choose to buy from small businesses and artisans because they value authenticity and craftsmanship. When they see a beautifully made wooden piece, they don't just see an object, they see your dedication, your creativity, and the story behind the work. This connection inspires confidence and quick purchasing decisions. Buyers feel good knowing they're supporting a maker rather than a corporation, and this emotional connection becomes part of the product's value. Marketing and presentation contribute heavily to selling speed as well. And that brings us to the end of today's narration, exploring simple woodcraft projects that sell fast and carry powerful income potential. These creations may be modest in size, but their ability to generate steady profit is incredible. Your creativity, your hands, and your vision have the power to turn small ideas into meaningful financial success. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.